All right. So, are you aware of Slack? Because that's where I'm going to create one Slack account for you, and that's where we can communicate regarding all the appointments.
No, I don't know what that is.
All right. So I will just send you an invite. I think you can just join. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. It's going to be free. So you will not be paying any single thing for it. All right. It's like in 90 days free. So I think we are not going to take as long as 90 days.
I
It
got
will be really quick. So I'm just going to send you the invite, create your Slack. And did you also fill out the onboarding form?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, wonderful. Let me check. All right. So yeah, I see your details here. So the company name is Ion Solar, correct?
Right.
Okay, and you are selling in, so I will provide the zip codes. Okay, you will be sending the zip codes. That's fine. And you are selling in Virginia. That's wonderful. And so what company name do you want me to use for your Slack account? Do you want me to use Ion, this company name, or do you have any registered LLC that you want me to use?
No, you can use my name. I mean, you could just use Jeremy Solar.
Okay,
That's fine.
well, that's fine. I'm using your full name. Okay, would that be all right? Okay, so I have created the channel and I have sent the invite on this email, ge0815@gmail.com. That's fine.
Yep.
All right. Okay, you can check your email now. Have you received the invite yet?
Yeah, I'm downloading the app right now.
Okay, are you joining through your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. You can also log into your computer if that's going to be much easier, because you don't have to download for your computer. You can just use the browser, and
Okay.
yeah, that's fine. Phone is going to be wonderful because you can communicate even though if you are, let's say, on a ride, on a drive. So okay, all right, you are in. I'm also making a Google Sheet for you so that you can track all your leads, all your appointments. All right, and qualifications, we have targeting, and you are in Virginia. Okay, well, all right. Okay, Jeremy, let me share. I think you are already inside the Slack, so I can just drop you. I think I have sent a text. You can check if you have received the text. You did?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let me share my screen and let me show the lead sheet, the appointment sheet. Okay, so this is the appointment sheet, and you can see all the appointments, all the questions that we'll be asking, all the qualifying criteria. So this is the qualifications that we are following. All right, so homeowners, they will be homeowners. House type, they will be having single family home. Roof type, they will have shingles, flat, metal, if you can work with flat, that's fine. If not, I will just remove it.
We can work with flat, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, all right, I will remove it. Shingles or metal, these are fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Electric bill, we do ask for some areas where, let's say, California, Arizona, where it's too hot, we ask for 150, but other areas we do ask for 100, above 100. Would that be fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so I'll make it 100. For credit score, we ask if their credit score is above 650. If they say yes, then only we proceed with the appointment. For the employment status, either they have to be employed or their income has to be above 45K. So it's going to be either one of these, if they're employed or their income is above 45K. Would you like anything to change in these employment status? That's fine,
No.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
So if they say they are either employed or their income is above 45K, that would mean okay, the appointment is good to go. Roof age, we are going to make sure that their roof age is less than 20 years old. No any appointment will be so they will be agreeing that yeah, their roof age is less than 20 years old. Okay.
Yep.
And their age is going to be less than 72. I know, like, I mean, we only get, like, few older people, but we make sure that we are restricting age till 72, and no, not too much old people. Okay, not too many old people. Roof shade, they will have little to no shade, and if even if they will have shade, they will, like, agree to cut down the trees, or we will ask, like, if you are going to cut down the trees, if, let's say, the solar rep is going to visit you, if they will say yes, I'm willing to cut down the trees, then only we proceed with the appointment. Is that fine?
Yep.
Okay. And again, the appointment, so the timing between every single appointment is going to be, let's say, if you will be running every single appointment by yourself, we can, like, do 3 hours each appointments, or, like, if you can take any appointments at any time, I can just, like, remove that.
So now I have specific time slots that I have to follow.
So you have a
Um,
specific time slots for these appointments, right?
yes. So if you're ready to take them down, I can tell them to you.
Okay, yeah, let me just, like, availability.
So it's going to be 9:30 a.m.
Wait, let me write the
Oh, yeah.
date. No appointments on Sunday, right?
I can do a 10 a.m. on Sunday.
That's fine. We don't book any, like, any appointments on Sunday, so that, like, we
Okay.
can get every single thing on Monday to Friday. Okay, so you can take appointments on Monday. What time? That's 9:30, you said?
So just to make it real simple, every
Mhm.
day is 9:30, 12 o'clock,
Okay.
2:30, 5
So
o'clock.
these are the times when you want the appointments.
Right. These are the only time slots I can put them in. Yeah.
Okay, got it. So let's say, what if we book an appointment at 10?
If I book it at 10, it might not get ranked because there's going to be a bunch of 9:30s on the board.
Okay, so you mean, like, these only specific times will work. So you want us to book either the appointments at 9:30, 12, 2, and then, like, something like this, right? And so we are going to avoid booking appointments. Okay, so all these days are going to be similar, and we can just, like, follow the same date. So we are going to give the options to the homeowners, like, hey guys, we have these slots available, 9:30, this, and they will be booking these appointments, and then, like, we can move forward.
Exactly. The only deviation is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. There's no 9:30s.
So 9:30s, and you said 12
Yeah, 12,
and
2:30,
2:30,
5,
5,
and 7:30.
and 7:30.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's quite enough.
And
All
then
right.
on Tuesdays and Thursdays, there's no 9:30s available.
Oh, okay, all right. So only these.
Right. Yeah. Perfect. And then on Saturdays, there's no 7:30s. Everybody gets off early.
Yeah, okay. All right. So till here, right?
Yep.
All right, that's wonderful.
Perfect, bro.
All right.
Awesome.
Okay, so I will be making sure to book only the appointments at these slots, and so these are basically slots where you want these appointments to be booked out, so that, like, all
Sure.
these slots are full. Okay, so we only have 10 appointments, so I think if we book 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 appointment a day, I think it would take about just 2 days to book all the appointments. And for the targeting, you have to upload all the zips. What you can do, if you want, you can do county here and then zips. Okay, so let's say we can do the counties, and then, like, all the zips in that county, and then, like, so on and so on. Or if you could just, like, want to give all the counties or the zips, that's fine, like, whatever works for you. Okay, how many zips would you say? I think you have a pretty big team, because, like, there are so many slots, so you should be covering a lot
It's
of zips.
huge, man. So it's going to be a lot of zips.
Okay,
You
so yeah, you
know,
can send it over. You can send it over, man. And the good thing about, like, us is we can book 10 appointments in a single day, okay? Because it depends on the order as well, the order volume. Let's say if you are, we have, like, clients who are working with us, and we are booking 50 appointments per week for them. And we are doing it, like, every single week. And we've been doing this for, like, over a year, right? And we book the appointments, like, they close the deals, and every single week, like, we keep sending more and more and more appointments. And like anyone we onboard, they start with 10, 20, 25, and then, like, as they start getting the results, they start getting the sales, we start sending them more and more and more, and, like, boom, hopefully, like, you can also start buying at least 100 appointments per week, man. That would be our ideal goal. Okay.
That would be great, bro. Let's do it.
Yeah. So for the orders, we have 10 appointments. These are going to be recording based and invoice is already paid. So what that means is like, basically we will be asking about the, so timestamp will be there, the date and time of the appointment when it's booked, name of the agent, if you want to use that, first name, last name of the customer, email is sometimes like, for in-home appointments, we don't like, we don't have all the emails, but we try to get emails as much as possible. Phone is definitely going to be there. Street address, zip, city, county, credit score, utility bill, electricity provider, roof age, roof type, household income, appointment type meaning in-home virtual. I think we'll only be booking in-home appointments, appointment date and time, and this is going to be the call recording, and every single thing will be approved based on the recording of the calls. Okay, so do you have someone who can review the recordings, or do you want me to put a team for you who can review the recordings and send it to you?
I can review the recording myself, I guess.
So yeah, because the once all the requirements are fulfilled, let's say the agent is asking every single thing, because this is what the recording based means. Okay, if he's asking every single thing, and if you see, all right, he has asked all the things, because we are asking a lot of questions, right? So if they're answering every single thing, that means they might be interested, and most of the times when you go ahead and visit them, they definitely you will be sitting down with them and discussing about the solar proposal and whatnot. So once you see, okay, we have asked all the questions in the call recording, you can we are just going to agent note, and this is going to be QC note. So all the appointments will be QC'd and only will be sent once they have been approved by my team. So you only have to review a little bit, but you can just you are free to review all of them, and if there is any issue, you can just raise it with us, with my team over Slack, and we will be able to help it out, sort it out. Okay.
Okay. Can we go back to the requirements or whatever?
Yeah, qualifications.
Yeah. So one of the qualifications I need is all homeowners or decision makers need to be present. So
Okay.
if there's a husband and wife, I need them both to be there.
Homeowners, yes, must own their homes, and okay, wait, I can put it over here. All the decision makers.
Yeah, it's usually just like a husband and wife, or
Yeah,
you know. And then if you could, I know you guys aren't going to get the bill for me, but I need to get the bill. So if you can just prep them for a call from me later on.
Yeah. So we actually give them the expectation, someone will be calling you to verify your details and potentially get the bill. So we are just going to
Okay.
add message, and also we let them know, do we have your permission to book your appointment? Okay, then only we book the
Yeah.
appointment when they say yes. So let's say we record every single thing, and then we send it over to you. So let's say if they are, when you are at their place, and they will say, we never booked an appointment, so you have the recording at least, right? And then you can at least show them something. I know you cannot force them to sit down with you, but again, these are the smaller things which helps. And again, we will try our best to give you as many appointments as we can in the record time, so that we can fulfill your order within a week or something. Okay.
Yeah, man, that's all my requirements, bro.
All right, that's wonderful.
That would be everything I would need.
So yeah, once you run the appointment, you can update the notes here. So let's say agent notes. Agent notes is basically going to be, if let's say there is something additional that agent want to provide, you can put the agent note, and sales note if you want to provide the updates on the appointment, so that we are also updated on what's going on with the appointments, were you able to close the deal, you were able to sit down, how the appointment went. That would be wonderful. And then we should be also able to track down the numbers, and then you can potentially order more if you think, all right, these are appointments and these are solid appointments, and hopefully we can increase the order to 50, 100, 200, whatever your requirements are going to be. All right.
Okay.
All right, I think that's all pretty much. And I will be sending the call recording over in the Slack as well, so that you can also revert back to it. And yep.
So my next step, get you those zip codes, and then we're good to go, right?
Zip codes, maybe send me a list, file, whatever can work for you. And it's Thursday, so hopefully we will have to arrange our data, have to buy the data, and filter out the data based on the zip codes. And potentially we will start from, let's say, Monday, and next week we'll try to deliver all your appointments. Okay.
Sounds good, man. Sounds good. Do you want me to send you those zip codes over through Slack?
Slack, yes, Slack is going to be our main communicating platform, and we can we are active there all the time. So if you need anything, any help, just let me know over Slack, and my team should be able to, or me, we can just get back and connect over there. All right.
Sounds good, man. Thank you very much.
All right. So send me the zip codes as soon as you can, and I will start working on your campaign. Okay.
Will do. Thank you.
All right. Have a wonderful day, and yeah, let's connect soon. Bye bye.
All right.